I just wanted to show you guys another little shortcut here. So if you look at hi everybody, I just wanted to show you how to do something here. So this is a problem where I already did part A, but again I wanted to just sort of show you how to sort data in StatCrunch. So just go ahead and click on the data set and then open in StatCrunch. And then you've got, as soon as this loads, you've got your financial stocks here and your retail stocks. Now I already answered part A here. Let me go ahead and close this window. I already did part A with the financial stocks. So for the retail stocks, you would do a similar thing. Again, if I go back to the data over here to sort data, and essentially all you're doing here is counting this. So I think the easiest way to do this is to just sort it. Just go to sort and then click on var1 or var2, or you can click both of them at the same time by holding down the shift key. But since we're primarily interested here in var2, let me just select that, the retail stocks, and then you would just go ahead and click on compute. And you can do this ascending or descending. I'm just going to do it in ascending order here. And so basically what it does is it takes your retail stocks and it sorts them. And you know, in Excel you could use like a count if function or something like that to count all, say for example, all the stocks between -20 that have a rate of return between -20 and -0.01. But I think it's just easier to count these manually. Again, there may be a way to sort of categorize the data here also, so you can count all the stocks between one and the other, but I think it's just easier to count at this point. And again, you could just write all these out on a piece of paper in order, but again, I think this is a lot easier to do it this way. And so, in this case, right, you want to count, first of all the stocks between, that have between a -20 and -0.01 rate of return. So just go here and count all the stocks that have a negative value, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then just put a 4 in there. And then again, do the same thing for all the stocks that have a rate of return between 0 and 19.9. So again, if you look at that, that would be 1, 2, etc., right? And then you can just count those, right? So all the stocks between, say, 20 and 40, basically, 39.9, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? And then you can just do that for the rest of the data set, right? If you need to scroll down here, right, I mean, they do have scroll bars on the left and the right that allow you to scroll up and down and left and right here if you need that. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little tip. Again, you could do a search on YouTube for how to do that in StatCrunch, but I thought this might save you guys a little bit of time. So some of you may have already done section 2.2 and 2.3 already anyway, but just want to let everybody know that that is you can sort variables in StatCrunch, in case you weren't aware of that. All right, if you guys have any questions or anything, as usual, don't be afraid to contact me. All right.